Okay, we got a firmware update for the Osmo. So we're going to do that. The Osmo Pocket, by the way. It says autofocus is now smoother when switching scenarios. Optimized gimbal performance when powering on. Fixed issue red noise appeared in cine-like mode in some scenarios. Probably just glitches that would pop up and people would report them and they would look it over. You know, one of those type deals. You know, this thing's been out for long enough now. There shouldn't be that many more firmware updates because, you know, every scenario has probably been played out by now, pretty damn close to it. So you're not going to have, you know, a bunch more updates like this. You know, because that's what happens. You know, when you're testing a product like this, you can only think about testing so many things. You know what I mean? So it's just like these games, you know, these video games. Yeah, they put them out a lot, without being finished on purpose, so they can patch it as they go. But they use the people as the play testers, you know, the initial customers. But, you know, with something like this, for the most part, it's pretty finished when it comes out. But, you know, they just can't test for the likelihood of every scenario that somebody might use this for. And then, so somebody uses it for something they didn't even think of. And then the person reports back, oh, it did this or it did that. And so then they look into it and they go, oh, yeah, that's because this part of code was no good or whatever. So then they go in and make these little patches. So, okay, it says done. All right. So, yeah, looks good. All right, so there it is. Looks decent. There's the SEMA. Yay. I gotta eat. Here, you ever want to try some shepherd's pie? The best one to get is this one right here. Blake's. That's the best one. Alright guys, there you go. Update. Osmo. Yeah. Looks pretty clear to me, so. Osmo Pocket updated again. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.